María Gutiérrez-Cueto y Blanchard was born March 6, 1881, died April 5, 1932, was a Spanish painter. She was known for developing a unique style of Cubism. In 1916, before the end of the war, Blanchard moved to Paris, where she would spend the rest of her life. There, she met many Cubist artists and began developing her own style of Cubism. She became close friends with Juan Gris, a Spanish Cubist painter, who heavily influenced her work. Blanchard joined the Section d'Or, a Cubist art group. Early paintings, such as Woman with a Fan, show flat, interlocked shapes. Her style evolved to become more figurative and traditional over the years. Her paintings became harsh, with bright clashing colors and melancholic themes. The resulting artwork was very emotionally expressive. Demand for Blanchard's art increased after the 1920 showings in France and Belgium, and the 1921 exhibition at the Society of Independent Artists. She came into contact with significant art dealers, but due to the adverse economic situation which followed, many collectors stopped investing in her work. She became financially dependent on her friend, Flausch, until his death.